hello student, we do reasoning question here. Ni C within bracket CO outside bracket 4 NiCO whole 4 has a tetrahedral geometry, whereas NiCN4 complex ion 2 negative has a square planar geometry. Explain with reason. So CO is a strong ligand as well as it is a neutral ligand. It is a neutral ligand, that is why nickel is having zero oxidation state here. So electronic configuration of neutral atom is 3d8-4s2. So it has a zero oxidation state, it will remain as such. But when NiCO4 is coming here, so CO carbonyl groups being a strong ligand, it will pair up the electrons. So see here 3d8-4s2 it is the neutral ligand first, it is in ground state, but with a ligand it is electrons are paired up, and these 4 orbitals are empty. So I put these 4 ligands over here, red and dotted, these 2 dots are here, so it is in the ligands donated electron pair to nickel. Okay, so the geometry is tetrahedral because of the sp3 hybridization. Now molecule has tetrahedral geometry, NiCO whole 4. Second, NiCN4 2 negative. Cn is neutral, not a neutral ligand, it is a negative charge. It is having one negative charge, negatively charged ion. So how do we get the oxidation number of nickel? We suppose it is X. So all sum of this will be equal to the charge on the ion. So it is having negative 2, so I have written negative 2. So X plus minus 1 into 4, 4 times 1 is 4. So X minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So X is equal to plus 2. Simple maths. So means nickel is in plus 2 oxidation state. We'll write on Ni2 positive configuration. We know that neutral 3d8-4s2, but 2 electrons lost, so it is acquiring 2 positive charge. So now 8 electrons are here, S and these orbitals are empty. What will happen now? Since Cn is a strong ligand, so it will push these electrons to pair up. Okay, so now when it is pushing electron towards here, so 3d orbital, one of the d orbital is empty, so hybridization will be dsp2. 4 orbitals are required for 4 ligands. 4 ligands are there, so 4 orbitals are required, so dsp2 hybridization will take place. So this square planar geometry will be there because dsp2 orbitals are having square planar geometry. So you draw this structure. This is for tetrahedral geometry because of sp3 hybridization, and this is square planar because of dsp2 hybridization. That is why this difference occurs. Paramagnetism, you see, this is not paramagnetic, this is diamagnetic, and this is